Look at this, a Carl's Jr. with 1 star. Anyway, we're here at, Wash Barn Car Wash, and we're gonna check it out again and do a close-up. I don't think that they've changed it since the pay stations are still, since they're still wash select, but
never know.
Yeah, they're the same. Oh, one of them's out of service.
Oh.
So I guess we're going to the right one. And we're gonna walk through the one that's out of service and then the one that is in service. So let's go do that. I'll see you guys in just a second. Alright, so here's the pay station. There's the wash options. Here's your RFID. Oh, the employee's cleaning it. Okay. That's why it's out of service. Here's the other one. Same RFID thing. Here's the wash options. So now let's walk through this one. I think this used to be an Autech being this. But I don't know. So there's your undercarriage. The gantry. Top brush. Here's your wheel scrubbers. Here's the front brushes. And they also tilt, as you can see. There's the controls. Here's the other front brush. And then the Mark VII dryers and the dryer timer out there. So let's go check it out now. Any second now. The nozzle seemed a little clogged, like right there.
Alright, so now we're going to do the shot right here to stay out of the road.
Yeah. Alright, what did you think?
I thought it was awesome. I really like Washburn.
Yeah, I mean, the trifoam was a little clogged, but other than that, seems like it did a very good job.
It really did, and they have a really nice guy that works here. It's well maintained, it's really clean, and I think it's just dang cute. It's a barn. It's cute. Yeah, I'd say 10 out of 10.
Same. So yeah, that's Washburn. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.